Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove someone from Trello workspace. Alright, so let's get started. So the first step is to go to Trello website and then log into your account. Alright, once you're here you can see we have our workspace over here. Now all you have to do is click on board, and over here you can see the option for members. On the left hand side, just click on these members, and here this is our already removed members. I'm just going to add to our workspace first. Alright, here you can see we have our workspace member. Now all you have to do is on the right hand side you can see the remove option. Just click on this remove option and click on remove from workspace. Alright, there you go, we can see here workspace member removed. So yeah, that is how you can remove members from your workspace. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.